If your idea of fun is building cool gadgets, then this DIY hydraulic excavator model is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, organize all your wooden parts into sections: base, arm, bucket, and body. Got it? Great. Next, assemble the base and body. Attach the base pieces to form a stable platform. Secure everything with screws, dowels, or wood glue. Then build the body on top, ensuring it can swivel if your kit allows. Now, let's construct the excavator arm. Use the provided wooden pieces to create a bendable arm. Connect each joint using dowels or screws. Onto the exciting part, the hydraulic system. Attach a plastic syringe to each joint where movement is needed. Connect these syringes with water-filled tubing. Push one syringe and watch the magic happen. Finally, secure the bucket at the end of the arm. Test each hydraulic connection by pushing and pulling the syringes. Make adjustments for smooth motion. For the grand finale, decorate your model with paint or stickers. Boom! You've built a working hydraulic excavator. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun DIY projects.